Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. So today I want to make rice and beans with chicken sauce. So this is it, and let's get started guys. So I put on my gas here, then I put a pot of water for my beans. Then the water is boiling now, so I added my beans. In the warming water. Yeah, so yeah, this is what I added it and it's done here too. I bring out my chicken and the knife to cut it. I need to cut the chicken to pieces. I pieces the chicken to small sizes. So this is here, right here. I was struggling with the chicken because the bone was too strong, and the knife is not too sharp. This is a home knife you get, and there's a bone in the middle of the chicken. I need to cut it very well. So this is where I was struggling with the chicken. So here I've pieces it. I'm using this knife to divide it to pieces. This chicken is just for only me. I'm not cooking for everybody. I'm cooking for only myself. So trying to make the chicken to small size. I'm dicing it to like small cubes. So I'm still at it. Trying to look the size here. So here I'm done with it. I added my salt. Then I added my curry and thyme ingredients. Here I added my grounded spicy to it. Then I added maggi. This is my noodles maggi. Then I mix it well together. You have to mix it so well before you boil it. I forgot to put onions, but I later added onions when I was boiling it. So this is the pot I want to use, and I put the chicken in the pot here. Then I added a little bit of water. So I'm turning it together, I'm mixing it together. I'm stirring it, so it will be good. To be good. So here is my pepper, my tomato, my bell pepper, my green pepper. I didn't have the red spicy pepper. That's why I used the unripe one. The ripe one too is good. I love spicy a lot, so I like to use green and red. So here I'm done washing it. I'm rinsing it one more time because I love everything about my food to be clean. So this is my onions. I cut the onions and I wash it very well. So this is where I want to blend it. I'm cutting the pepper, the green pepper, onions, tomato. I'm cutting it little by little because my blender is so small. It's a small blender. I don't want to use the big one because I'm not blending the pepper smoothly. I want to make it like a sauce you get. So I'm cutting all my pepper. I'm putting the onions. I need to divide it. So this is what I'm doing now. I'm cutting it, and this is the last tomato. The second to the last tomato. There's no space in the blender like that. So I'm trying to make everything I'm trying to make everything to stay there. So yeah, I'm done. I'm adding a cool water from the kettle. Then I added my garlic. I like garlic, so I'm done putting it. So here I'm blending it together. I'm blending all of them. So I'm done blending it. Look at the face of my pepper. So I went back to my chicken that I'm boiling, so it's ready here. So I'm bringing it out of the water, you know. So after this is it. Look, this is the way it look. After this, I want to fry my chicken, my boiled chicken. So I'm putting it one by one, you know. I'm trying to fry my boiled chicken, so I added everything one by one. So this is here, it's frying here. So I'm trying to turn it, you know. The other side is brown, so I'm turning to the other side, you know. Side by side need to be brown. So the first side is brown, so I'm turning it to the other side, so everything will be so good, you know. Everything will balance well. So I'm turning all my chicken. So I went back to the beans. So this is the beans is boiling. Then I added my pepper in the chicken water, chicken boiled water. I added my pepper, then I'm stirring it together, you know. So I'm turning it so that the water of the chicken water and the pepper will mix together. Then I added my salt. You know. I don't really like salt like that, but I added a little salt. Then I put a little maggi, you know. The water already has maggi, so I don't need to put a lot of maggi. Then I tested it to know maybe it's okay. I turn it again and test again, so to confirm that this thing is okay or I should add more. So everything is fine. The maggi and the salt is fine. So I went back to my chicken. Everything is done. It's fried well, you know. I'm turning it to the other side. See, the other one, it was even brown than the first one I fried. The first side I fried. So it's okay now, you know. It's well cooked. It's well done. So here I'm moving it out of the oil, you know. I'm moving it out of the oil one by one. Yeah, one by one out of the oil, and yeah, I'm done. Removing stressful. So later I went back to the my pepper, my stew. So I added the oil that I used to fry the chicken. So I added it to the pepper, then I'm stirring it. So I'm stirring it together, you know. You need to make it sweet because I just added the frying oil on it. So I closed it and I went back to start cooking my basmati rice, you know, because I want to I'm cooking basmati rice with beans, then chicken sauce. So I'm cooking my rice now. So I added salt, I added a little bit of oil, and I went back to the stew I'm cooking. You know, I'm multitasking for this cooking. Yeah, I went back to turn it to make sure the stew is cooking. Then it's okay. Then I added the fried chicken in the stew. I added everything. I didn't even taste the chicken this time around because I love to take my chicken, but I didn't taste anything at all. So I made sure everything stay together. I mix them together so the stew will get into the chicken, you know. Then I tasted it again, maybe it's okay or not. So I cover the stew, then I come back again to check. Right now my stew is getting done, my beans is getting ready, then the rice is boiling right now. So I went back to my stew again, then I turn it, you know. This time around the stew is ready, it's cooked. So I off the gas on it. So I went back to my beans, I washed it and I put it back, and I put it inside my rice, my basmati rice, you know. The basmati rice is half done, you get. So I put my beans inside it, then I mixed it together to be cooked. So I'm mixing it together, then I cover it to cook for a little minute. Then I come back to it, then it's almost done. Yeah, there's still water there, so I want the water to get down. Then I tasted the rice and the beans, so it's almost done. Then I came back again after some like 20 minutes. I came back again to mix them together. I mixed it together. Then I'm done mixing it. So I went back to my stew. Look at my stew, so nice. My beans and rice is ready. My chicken sauce is ready. Look at the face, it's so colorful and good to eat. The food is ready. I'm turning it around. Then I open my rice again. I stir it again. I'm turning them. Look at the heat of the food. Food is ready. Then now I ready to eat, and I tasted it. Which is yummy, guys. You need to taste my food. I'm a good cook. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.